Welcome to Ethical World Education. In this video, we'll be knowing about the National Sports Day that will be celebrated on 29th August 2020. So every year on 29th August, India celebrates the National Sports Day. This is to honor the hockey player that is none other than Major Dhyan Chand. The hockey player that is Major Dhyan Chand on his birthday occasion. So it will be celebrated as its birthday on 29th August. So this comes under the Ministry of the Youth Affairs and Sports, that is the Shri Kiran Rijiju. So the Ministry of Youth Affairs and the Sports, he pays a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand at Dhyan Chand Stadium. So this stadium is located at New Delhi. So the President of India, that is Shri Ramnath Kovind, virtually offered, due to this COVID situation, virtually conferred this National Sports and Adventure Awards 2020 on this occasion, that is on the National Sports Day occasion. So here totally there are 65 awardees has been listed here. There are 65 awardees. So this has been listed from various parts of the place, that is from the Bengaluru, Kolkata, Lucknow, Delhi, Chandigarh. So these are the places whereas the 65 awardees has been listed. So let us know about this National Sports Award. Here there are Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award, Dhyan Chand Award, Dronacharya Award, Rashtriya Khel Puraskar Award. So let us know each award details. So here Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. So this is an outstanding award. This has been given for the sports person. This is given by the sports person, and this is given for the highly outstanding performance in the field of the sports. And by sports person, this has been given by the sports person and for the duration for the 4 years. So these are the 4 points which says about the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. And coming to Arjuna Award, this will be given for the outstanding performance for the duration of the 4 years. And then we have Dhyan Chand Award. This is given for the lifetime achievement, the person who is giving a lifetime contribution towards the sports. So those will be given for this award. And next, coming to the Dronacharya Award. So this is for the coaches, the person who trains them to drag these awards. So these will be given for the coaches, Dronacharya Award. And the next is Rashtriya Khel Puraskar. This will be given for the corporate entities, and this is like both the private sector as well as the public sector. It has been given for the both private and public. So these are the 4 awards, and let us know these awards has been taken by the sports persons. So Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Shri Rohit Sharma has been awarded for this award, and this is for the cricket. Yes, and other awardee is that Miss Manika Batra. This is awarded for the table tennis. So coming to Arjuna Award, so these are one of the awardees I'm just listing. There are many awardings over there. You can check in the website. So Miss Deepti Sharma has been awarded for the cricket in Arjuna Award, and Shri Atanu Das has been awarded for the archery. Again, I am repeating, there are many awardees. You have to check on the website. And the next is a Dhyan Chand Award. So this Dhyan Chand Award has been awarded to the Ms. N. Usha for the boxing. And one of the boxing player also awarded the Dhyan Chand Award, that is Sri Lakha Sinha. And Dronacharya Award has been awarded to the person that is Shri Kuldeep Kumar Handu. So this is for the Osho. And the Rashtriya Khel Puraskar. This Rashtriya Khel Puraskar this is awarded for the corporate entities, again the same thing, private and the public sector both. Private and the public sector. So these are the awards, important awards which has been issued on this National Sports Day. It's time for the quiz. So there are 2 questions and along with the options. So please comment the correct answer in the comment box. And the first question says that which famous sports person birthday is celebrated as the National Sports Day every year in India? The options are Major Dhyan Chand Singh, P.T. Usha, Sachin Tendulkar and none of the above. And the second question is, where is Dhyan Chand Stadium located? Maharashtra, Bihar, Bengaluru and New Delhi. So please comment the correct answer in the comment box for these 2 questions. It is related to the National Sports Day, that is 29th August 2020.